All right, guys, welcome to the video. Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Gonna kind of walk through what I did today. I really made some pretty clear statements. We are littered with news today, and when I say littered with news, I'll put a clip of everything that we're enduring or going to endure today from 8:15 to 8:30 to 9:45 to 10 a.m. to 10:30 to 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. I mean, just really probably a less than ideal day to trade. Okay, I felt fairly confident in the trade I took. I took profit twice and then I got stopped out, which, listen, is what it is. I'll include a video of how the trade transpired. We'll talk about it real quick just to kind of walk you through it. I shared my beliefs of what I thought with my clients. What they do with that information, of course, is ultimately up to them. But you can see we made a pretty strong high here, 735. Okay, when we got together, I said, "Hey guys, I feel like this is a fairly strong high has been placed. Whether that holds for the session or not, that story is still yet to be written." There was significant resting liquidity slightly above it. So I had my eye on that liquidity, thinking that, hey, listen, at some point we may try to grab that liquidity. After we grab that liquidity and we failed immediately, that's when I said, I'm like, hey guys, listen, it doesn't seem like we're going to retake that prior high, right? And we just kind of bumped above it, and then price fell back below it. As price started coming back through, that's where I felt comfortable getting short. I got short probably a little later than I should have. But of course, as I'm speaking to them and trading my own money, I'm going through that whole process. So got short there. I have my notes right in front of me. 77.33 with a 20 lot. I covered 5 at 77.10. I covered another 5 at 76.90, and 10 contracts were stopped out at 77.18. So all in all, not a bad trade. We have inventory report coming today at 10:30. Maybe the market continues here to draw lower. You can see I had a level marked out here that I had a little bit of concern about. I was hoping for a little draw deeper towards 76.40. It didn't happen. That's okay. I can't be mad about it. It is what it is. But the market, fairly respected my thought process, consumed that liquidity that we were watching, and then, filled half my position in the profit and then stopped out my other half the position in the profit. So again, all in all, I'm not super disappointed in the way the day traded out, or the way this position turned out. I wouldn't call it a home run, but I also wouldn't call it a bad day's pay. The indices were rallying a little bit this morning. Through the 8:15 and 8:30 news, they got choppy through the opening bell. The gold market was very, very sideways at the moment. It looks like it's trying to push out, but I think the balance of the day is going to be hinged upon the FOMC Fed funds rate statement and press conference between 2 and 2:30 this afternoon. I think 2 o'clock will be the strongest move the market sees. Crude oil will probably feel an effect of the inventory report in about 30 minutes from the time that I am shooting this video. But I want to just kind of share this with you, give you my thought process. Was it a counter trend trade? Yes. Was I hoping for it to aggressively pull back further? Yes. The reasons I felt fairly confident in this, if you look up here at the 4-hour chart where I'm holding my cursor, you can see there was this consolidative state that we pushed back into before the market took that next leg lower. So I really liked the way the higher time frame looked. We were testing a key levels I provide to my clients every day. And then, just based on the volume and the order flow, this looked good. It looked like we were gonna, this was gonna be a hard area not only to push through, but to stay above. And once it failed to stay above, this is what transpired. So just wanted to wrap up, kind of share this with you guys, let you know kind of how the day played out. If you'd like to learn more, put some links below this video. Feel free to reach out to me if you want to join me live in the market tomorrow morning. There'll be a link to do that as well. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.